Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. I am Ajit Mahuli, the founder and mentor at LPAT. Let's take a look at what the indices have been doing and are likely to do in the coming week. All right, let's begin with Nifty. So, as expected, in the last couple of sessions, I said Nifty will probably make an attempt to move up now since we have got sold off quite a bit. And that's what Nifty has been doing after that low of 18,850 approximately. We nicely moved up. Now, this move can still move up further. On monthly, there is still no change in whatever it is. We may try and make an attempt to test 19,600 based on where the selling has started. Long-term demand zone still at these areas. So weekly gives a much better picture. That's the area where prices are likely to move up to on the weekly chart. That's the area where prices will likely move here. And till Diwali, probably this is what is going to happen. Post Diwali, if prices still remain in this supply zone and we get some confirmation, we can expect a bigger move down in last week of November, and probably December month could be a little bit bearish downtrending move. So that's the monthly demand, weekly demand zone. This is the area we just came close to that and went up. Remember, this is a nice impulse. The trend has shifted even on the weekly. So this is the area where you will look at some shorts on confirmation. Right now, no shorts in the markets as such. The daily chart, if you see, that's the area where it will move to, and all the supply will be stacked somewhere close to these areas. So we'll make an attempt to move at least towards 19,700. This could create an issue. So we'll have to wait for some confirmation before we go short. And if we get confirmation to go short, I don't think anything will stop Nifty at least coming first to, let's say, this pro gap of 18,950 and then subsequently towards 18,500. So currently the trend is up. Those who had got long here, you can look at booking out. I booked out my longs. And momentum and intraday trades towards the long side are possible, and you can do that. No shorting still. You could see a one-day move down unless you get confirmation. Please do not short. We are at interesting area. Definitely, Nifty is likely to move towards 19,600. On smaller time frames, re-entry points for intraday trade setups would be somewhere. Let's say this will be a little bit aggressive, but you can trade some weekly options here, which can give you some good credit, maybe some spreads. Volatility has also risen today, so you will get some good value. And if you take a look at how the markets have moved, there are no great demand zones. That's going to be the only demand zone. If we break this, we could move all the way towards these areas again. Right now, we are in the supply zone. It needs to be seen how it takes off this, but not a critical supply, I would say. Probably if we gap up and then come down, this could be a good buying opportunity. And that's the area where I expect markets to move towards for swing shorts. So it's okay if you don't go long in the index. You can look at some good stocks. There are good stocks coming, which are giving long trades. And as long as Nifty is trending up, you can go long and not short. Right. So still a bullish bias, but the location is now getting a little bit. It's not a good location to go long aggressively. So intraday longs allowed, but not swing longs. Swing longs, you need a pullback at least, let's say, towards 19,300 to 250. Taking a look at India VIX, now India VIX also has risen today along with the markets have moved. Tomorrow it will be interesting to see how it moves up. The India VIX will also move, and there is a possibility that this may also move, and the index might also glide up. So look at doing some spreads trades on the index. That will give you good reward. On Bank Nifty now. On the monthly chart, again, there is no change. This is still the area where we came to and started moving up a little bit on the monthly demand zone. Prices could move towards, firstly, towards the around 44,500 based on the monthly chart, but we'll have to take a look at the lower time frames. Now, last week was good for the bulls. Now, this is a very crucial area. The supply probably will start somewhere close to 44,500 to 44,800. So that's the area that Bank Nifty will try to test on the weekly chart. The next best fresh demand zone for us to go long, probably we will get this in December if that supply zone holds. We could get this weekly demand zone here, and from here somewhere we can look at shorting. But now this is quite wide, so smaller time frames will hold the clue. Now here is what it looks like on Bank Nifty. That's a mean supply zone. So while everybody might be looking at a little bearish approach towards Bank Nifty could surprise everyone by moving up towards 44,500. Now, the way Bank Nifty has gone up in the last 4 days is not a good sign. It's like shorts are getting built. Somewhere close to above 44,000 is where there'll be a good shorting opportunity. Remember, we are still moving up. Okay, so we will wait for some confirmations and then look for getting into shorts for a target of, let's say, 41,700. That's the area. This supply might push prices down. So smaller time frame will tell us where we can look to go long. Probably maybe that's the area. If we come here on expiry day, that is day after tomorrow, you can look at going long here for final target of 43,300 as of now, and maybe tomorrow we may test these areas of supply at four or global markets, and gift nifty shows a positive start. So interesting areas. Please do not short. Wait for prices to give you confirmation, and if they go up, every pullback can be used to go for longs, and good stock-based longs available. Only once we start moving above 43,800, we got to be cautious on the Bank Nifty, and around 19,600 and above, we got to be cautious about our longs on Nifty. All right. So bullish bias, cautiously bullish. Wait for shorts. Don't be in a hurry.